Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we had a quick lesson to review the topic of function composition. I hope after yesterday's lesson, everyone is now feeling comfortable with this new topic. Today we are going to use another example to readdress this topic. So remember before we use function equation and function table, today we are going to use a graph of functions to analyze this topic. So as you can see, we have two graph here. One is for f of x, the other one is for g of x. So we need to answer these 6 questions here. So what we are going to do is you can definitely pause the video now and to answer all the questions on your own, and later you can just compare your answer with mine. Or I'm going to go over first 3 questions, and then I'm going to just write down the answer for the bottom 3 questions, and you can just compare your answer with mine. Anything you like to learn this topic is fine. So let's get started. So the first one, as you can see, this is g of f of 2. So whenever we see this, we know the inside part is the first one we need to work on, which is f of 2. So I'm going to look for f of 2 first. F of 2, x is 2, so I'm going to look on this one. So 1, 2. And then the graph is above x-axis, so 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. That means g f of 2 equivalent to g of 3. Since this is g of 3, I'm going to work on this graph is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the final answer is 3 for this one. Okay, so let's continue. Next one is, so switched. Now I'm going to work on g of -1 first, which is g graph is here, so -1 is here, -1, -2, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So be careful. It looks like it stopped here. Actually, the graph is here. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. So is -5. I think it's always a good idea to separate the steps so you won't make mistakes. And also, it's more like recording your steps. So it's the other way to show your work. So -5, we are going to onto the left graph is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for this one is like in the middle. So we're going to call this as -half. Remember, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's definitely here, and it's this one. But one thing is under x-axis, so that's why this is -half. Last one, g of g. So it's kind of confusing, basically meaning we're only looking for the points on the second graph, on the graph on the right. So g of 1, which is 1, 2, 3. So it's here. So since it's g of 3 now, x is 3, so 1, 2, 3 here, then 1, 2, 3. So g of 3 is 3, so that's the answer for this. So for the rest part, I'm going to write the answer here, and then you can definitely compare your answer with mine later. So again, I hope when you do your work, definitely show your steps like this. So one, you can double check your steps. Second, this is a way to show your work. Okay, so that's all what I want to share with you today. So that's how we use graph to analyze the meaning of the function composition. I hope after this all the examples here, you are feeling totally confident for this topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.